Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. So I'm in my pretty new 2021 Kia Seltos SX Turbo. So I'm on the highway now doing about 70. And for some reason when I test drove the car, I didn't take it on the highway. And one of the things that I'm noticing, and I'm not driving a lot, but I have been driving on the highway a bit, especially on the weekends when I go hiking, is the road noise. And I've been asking people when on the car, does it sound loud? And then this morning I was asking someone who's got the Honda Pilot and she said it sounds pretty loud. So it's something that's really been bothering me. I'm wondering if you have a Kia Seltos, whether it's the SX, EX, or one of the lines, how you find the road noise is for you. So I owned the Kia Optima. It was a quieter road. I think part of it is the tires that they come with. I do like the look of the tires, but that may be one of the issues, and it may be just one of the things with this model car. So I am off to check out the 2020 Sportage, and we're going to see how that rides as compared. It's the EX, and I might be able to get out of this lease into that one. Maybe because I'm early enough, might have to spend a bit more money. We'll see. So I'm going to quiet here for a second, just so you can see and hopefully you can hear the noise that I'm hearing. So going over a bit of a bumpy spot there. So hopefully you picked that up. Be curious again to see if you have, those issues as well. I really like the car otherwise. One thing that the Sportage has, which would be nice to get back, is the ventilated seats. So I might be willing to spend a little bit more money. When I got in this car, I actually wanted to go down a bit. But let me know how it's working for you, if you have that issue, and just thought I would put out this video in case some others were wondering about the same challenges as well with the Kia Seltos. All right, everybody, have a great day. Be safe. Take care.